Hi. Okay. Have a visitor. Someone came to say hello. Oh, I love you too. Yes, I love you too. You run across the street just to say hi. You need some healing. Yeah, you need some healing. Look at this beautiful animal. You know, this is what happens when we increase our energies. They all come to us. Yeah, they all come to us. They know who we are. Oh, I love you so much. Oh, yes, you do. You know who I am. Hey? Yes. Look at you. Look at you. Beautiful. Beautiful troublemaker. Hmm? You like the energies? Hmm? You like the energies, do you? Yes. It's okay. Be careful. Thank you for all your love, sweetheart. Thank you. Yes, thank you. You're amazing. Yes, you're amazing, baby. Blessings to you, honey.